Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Fitri Apriliani. I am from Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Teacher Education at the State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. My student number is 11920900040. Okay, in this video, I want to tell you about how my experience and my activities before and after COVID-19 came to my city. As we know, COVID-19 actually exists in China in 2019, but the case began to boom in 2020. And around February, the coronavirus is began to exist in Indonesia. Therefore, I would like to tell you about what I am doing, my activities, and my experience I had before and after COVID-19 come to my city. So let's go to the list. In December 2019, as usual, I was still doing my usual activities, for example, like studying, meeting with my friends, hang out with my friends, and others. I remember very well that I held an art performance, namely playing angklung for assessment of the music art courses. The campus is still very busy and normal as usual. A few days after I finished my performance, I decided to return to Serang, Banten, because I miss my parents and my two younger brother siblings so much. Incidentally, at the time I was on semester break, so I decided to work at a shop, because instead of being at home, I doing nothing. So I decided to work. As time went to in February, there have been cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia, but COVID-19 has not been found in my city, and the semester break was coming to end, so I decided to resign from the shop, and remaining time I had would be at home with my family. Early March, I went to Bandung by public transportation. At the time, I was little worried because the corona case is in Indonesia continue to grow. There are a thing that I find that is funny, because when I see a person who called, I will become a little parno. And then I arrived at the boarding house, so I immediately rushed to clean. And a few days later, I was still doing my usual activities for college. In the college, I was so able to meet my friends, study in the class, and go to several malls to find something. Approximately 2 weeks later, the government announced that corona cases in Indonesia were increasing, even though there was one minister who was exposed to this virus. And the next day, the university announced that a lecture would be temporarily suspended, and a lecture would be conducted by online class only. At the time, I was at my uncle's house because he was afraid and worried if there is something will be happen to me. In the afternoon, my father called me, and then he told me to go to my grandmother's house, because grandmother's house in the village and so far away from the crowd, because my grandmother's house in Garut. And I agree with my father. I did not go alone, but I went with my sister. We left by minibus, and we're not forgetting that before we leaving, we wash our hand, put a mask, and brought the hand sanitizer. Arriving at the grandmother's house, we both rushed to the bathroom to clean. A few days later, the lecture started by online class. At first, I was not used to it because it was my first time doing it. Not only that, because I was in a village, for internet access it was very difficult, and the lights often went out. However, I got used to it, even though I was actually a little worried about my value. I will get later. Of course, online class is very boring, and sometimes I am feeling depressed because I can't meet with my friends, I can't take a walk, I am alone, and I don't have a friends to talk to, and of course I am very lonely because yeah, you know, even at home, I could only stay quiet and not go anywhere. All I do is clean the house, I eat, I go to online class, I do assignment, and taking a rest. But in my opinion, many of activities I do have a change. From the lecture that are usually done face to face in class, but now we have to online class, and not being able to go anywhere, not being able to meet with friends, and string of loneliness. Okay guys, maybe that's all I want to tell you about how my activities and my experience before and after COVID-19 came to my city. And thanks for watching my video, and I'm so sorry if there are a mistake in my pronunciation and my grammar that I mentioned it. Bye bye.